Welcome to the first tutorial series for Lumion. This tutorial series comprises of 9 different segments, which will cover the basic workflow of turning your CAD models into beautiful renders. To receive the latest updates on all our videos, do remember to click on the subscribe button. The first part of the tutorial series will be covering the Lumion welcome screen and the initial setup of Lumion. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into it. When you start up Lumion for the first time, a hardware benchmark will start automatically to check the specifications of your computer. The results are shown in 4 different categories. They are graphics card, graphics memory, processor, and system memory. Click on the Performance Tips button, will direct you to useful information on what are the system requirements needed to run Lumion smoothly. Based on the result, you will get to know how well your computer will perform when handling complex scenes. On the Lumion welcome screen, you will get access to some of the basic functions like creating new project, saving your project, and access to online tutorials. Right at the top of the screen, you can change the language settings based on the region you are in. There are many selections over here to choose from. Click on the Create New button. This will provide you with 9 default pre-built environments to start off your new project. Click on the back arrow, will bring you back to the welcome screen. Click on the Examples button, will give you access to 9 pre-made example scenes. All these are fully textured and populated with models, with rendering effects and styles already applied. All these examples also offer you a place for exploring how the professionals does their work in Lumion, with different architecture and settings. The Load, Save, and Save As button will allow you to open and save your file using the names that you prefer. The Online Tutorials button will bring you over to the Lumion support portal, where you can find useful tutorials to get you started on your journey in using Lumion. Blog articles on Lumion are also available and updated pretty frequently. Let's now go over to the examples and open Villa in Casale. Click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner to access the Lumion settings. If your computer does not meet the requirements needed after performing the benchmarks, or you might have to deal with a particularly large scene, you can configure settings like editor quality and resolution, and disable high-quality trees to boost performance. New proxies settings are newly added to help in this area by replacing models with proxies objects. This drastically improves your computer performance and navigation within Lumion. There are some other settings over here that can allow you to further customize your Lumion experience. We have come to the end of the first part of the Lumion tutorial series. Do keep a lookout for our next tutorial by subscribing to our channel. See you in our next tutorial.